Welcome and thank you for subscribing to the TrendyLand channel. Discover in this video some breathtaking and wonderful woodwork. It will give this board a unique color. The end result is very nice. Here is how to fix a broken chair like a master. Impossible to suspect that his chair was broken after the intervention of this carpenter. Very good job. This table is a work of art. As we can see, its manufacturing process requires a unique know-how. This mix of wood and resin is simply stunning. This work is really successful. Looks like a real landscape. Very good job. A wooden car, fully motorized. It's impressive. It's important to have a good time, to always have good inspiration at work. Let's end this video in style with this masterpiece. Looks like the table is burning. Amazing job. Stay connected on the TrendyLand channel for a new video. Goodbye.